Hey 1Ls, it's Franklin. Come with me, Sun, Sand, and Strategy. As always, we're looking at today's topic through an exam lens, the only lens that matters. Summer is winding down, 1L orientation is just in front of us. And I wanted to talk with you about something I've been seeing a lot in posts. Everybody's showing their back to school 1L haul and they're asking for advice. One of the constant things I'm seeing are highlighters. And this kind of highlighter, no, don't do this kind of highlighter, no matter what shape, form, or size. The reason is that these highlighters will bleed into your casebook. You know, you might be highlighting one side, but you turn the page, and now you've highlighted the page in the back on some stuff that you don't want highlighted. What's going to work a lot better are these. These are Bible highlighters. This is actually my favorite brand. There's 6 of them inside. They actually work really well. There's a similarity between Bibles and casebooks. And no, not because they're both boring, because they're both really long. It's because the pages are super razor thin. So these, you just kind of turn that there, and it comes out, up or down, and you highlight it. But here's the thing, every time I talk to you, I don't just talk with you about average 1L tips, how to breathe, which highlighters to use. Listen, everything has to be viewed through an exam lens. If we're not talking about the 1L exam, then we're not talking about what matters. So the question is, what does highlighting have to do with the final exam? Here's why it matters. 100% of everybody in your 1L class is going to have some form of a highlighter, right? So what? Only 10% of that class is going to perform at the top 10% of your 1L class. So what's the difference? The difference is what they highlighted and how they highlighted. What I want you to do is I want you to create a key for every color of your highlighter. Here's the thing. When you highlight your casebook throughout the course of the first semester of 1L, you're going to highlight hundreds of pages. But it won't mean anything until at the very end you're tasked with synthesizing that information in the form of your outline. And if all you got is a rainbow of highlighted pages inside of your textbook, guess what? That's going to take you forever to get through. It's not efficient. And you're really just going to end up tossing it. All that highlighting is going to have done you no good unless you were organized and you were systematic. What do I mean by being organized and systematic? Well, what I mean is this. Every color of your highlighter shouldn't just